Hi friends, welcome to Wordle. This is a very quick tutorial on how to use a word cloud generator. A word cloud generator simply uses text that you provide and creates one of these sort of creative word jumbles. With this particular program, any word that appears more frequently within a text, this one would be English, wish, and climb, will appear more predominantly. So it can be pretty useful in a classroom for reviewing vocabulary, for analyzing some sort of text that might have vocabulary that's challenging for your students. So let's create. So this is a pretty simple program. All you need to do is paste a bunch of words. So I'm going to copy and paste the preamble to the Constitution here. Forgot the W and we. Let's add that back in just to be respectful. I go down here and I click go, and it creates a randomized word cloud for me. Now, if you want to play around with it, and students often do, you can click on the randomize and it'll change things up for you, and you can play around until it looks like you like it. If you feel a little more controlling of the environment, you can edit. You can undo anything that you want here. Edit is really only undo and redo. Language will give you word count, remove numbers, all kinds of interesting things. Font is always one that students feel really motivated to play around with. Layout can always be really fun for them. You can prefer alphabetical order, which is another thing for younger students. That might be really interesting to see how the words line up in alphabetical order. Mostly horizontal, just a few random things. Mostly vertical. Those are really good words to teach younger kids what horizontal, vertical, half and half mean. Those are kind of nice shapes, and this is really good for visual learners. Color is another area that students like to play around with. Black and white. Organic carrot. Let's see what that looks like. You can customize your palette. You can edit a custom palette if you like. We'll click on that. Background color, foreground. Let's see, we don't need 4 colors. That's decadent. Let's just go down to 3 and it'll switch that up for you. Randomize again, changes everything up nicely. So also this actually could be a little bit of a math game as well. You can talk to students about proportion of words and how often they're used. This could be a great thing to talk about. They can use in their own writing and try to eliminate any repetitive words. So, and when you're finished, you can print. If you're interested, you can save that to your computer. You can have your students turn that in. So, and that is pretty much it as far as Wordle is concerned. Again, it's a very simple program, very user-friendly, very, very, very easy to create. If you need more complex word clouds, you can try Tuxedo or Vocabulary Grabber. Those are also very helpful.